Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to make chicken broth. Chicken broth is great for our immune system and for our gut health. So for the chicken broth that I'm going to make, I'm going to use some chicken feet. I know it's a little disgusting, but with the chicken feet, there's a lot of collagen that we're going to get out of it, which is going to be great for our bones, our nails, our hair, pretty much our entire body. So yeah, so this is what we're going to be using. Luckily, the butcher had cleaned off the first layer of skin, but they left the nails. So with that being said, we're going to remove the nails because we don't want that while we're making the broth. All right, so for the nails, what we're going to do is we're going to cut it where it has the joint connected. So see how like it bends like that? There's the joint here, so we're gonna try and cut it there, and then that's how we will be removing the nails. And then we'll try and just separate that. So let's remove all of the nails on the feet. Okay, so I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So what I did, I put 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar into the chicken feet. And now we're gonna put this into our Instant Pot and put water into this. Now, if you don't have an Instant Pot, you can use a crock pot. With the crock pot, you have to leave it in there for about 12 hours or so, from my understanding, in order to get all of the minerals and nutrients out of the chicken feet. So, but for myself, I'm going to put this in the Instant Pot, and then I'm going to leave it in there for about 4 to 5 hours. So let's dump this into here. And then we're going to just add the water into this. All right, so we've put water into the Instant Pot. I put it on the max line there. And we're just going to wait about an hour to let the apple cider vinegar seep into the chicken. And then we will start the Instant Pot right after. All right, so we've got the lid on, and then now we're going to make sure that it is in the soup and broth setting. I have it for 4 hours, and the pressure is on low. We're gonna keep the warm setting off because we want this to cool down as soon as it's done. And then we're just gonna now wait until the 4 hours is up, and the chicken broth will be done. All right, guys, we're finally done with the chicken broth. It was very simple and easy to make. You can definitely make this at home. And so I had omitted the carrots and the onions, celery, all that kind of stuff, because I do want to use this when I make some of my Filipino dishes. So when you make this at home, you can literally do whatever you please with it. But when I drink this, I just add a little bit of salt to it to add a little bit of flavor, and it tastes like as if I'm drinking a chicken soup. So yeah, so make this at home. You guys will never need to buy any chicken broth at the store anymore, and it's healthier because you know what's in it. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next video, and take care.